welcome to my channel. Hope you're having a wonderful day or night. Even if not, it's absolutely okay. We all have such days when we just don't feel right. These things gonna change. Speaking of change, spring is here. The wind is warmer and makes me feel much more active than the past month. I recently visited Commercial Street, which is a shopping hub for Bangalore. I picked up a bunch of stuff, so I just thought of making a haul. I hope you enjoy, and if you do, then please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. So as I entered the street, the first thing that caught my eye was a jewelry shop. They had a huge collection of earrings, bracelet, necklace, scrunchies, headbands, and lot more. Out of all, this one is my most favorite. Just look at the detailing. The stones which it has, it's so reflective that nobody can actually tell that it's just 200 bucks. Plus the design is so over the top, so trendy. Next I have this beautiful black earring. It's a drop earring which you can easily pair with a black dress or a black cocktail dress. And let's not forget the hoops, they never go out of style. Then I got this scrunchie. They had in different colors as well, but I went for the nude pink one because it can actually go with many of my outfits. Well, it was just for 50 rupees and I thought it was really affordable. The quality is great. The fabric feels so soft and you can already tell by the print as well. And who doesn't love a Chanel scrunchie? Next, I got this bandana, which is again a really good quality. The elastic is firm and I guess I'm really gonna enjoy wearing this a lot. Up next is a purchase that I'm really happy about. I was in search for a fancy black purse that I can carry to pubs and dinners. There was a store which was stacked up from top to bottom with all kinds of fancy bags and wallets. This instantly caught my eye. There were two more colors, one white and one pista green. The quality is insane with respect to the price I paid. It has those cute little fur type threads. I really don't know what to call them, but it looks pretty and I guess that's what all matters. The metal chain again is firm and sturdy. It feels really good quality. The paint on it is all even and there is no such thing which I can point out which is wrong about this product. It can be worn as a sling bag or it can also be worn as a shoulder bag. I am absolutely in love with it. When I was eyeing on this product, the shopkeeper came ahead and said that, "Oh madam, ye Louis Vuitton wala collection hai." I was like, of course. Anyway, that doesn't matter. It just looked really nice and I'm really happy about this purchase. Next up, we have all clothes. There was a shop at the very beginning which had only crop tops and tank tops. I was just checking the stuff out when I found these to be really dope. The fabric is soft spandex and it really seems comfortable. At first, I didn't miss noticing the Victoria's Spring tag, which is actually one of the names of Victoria's Secret collection. In fact, there is also the price written on it, which is $22. These looked so cool and affordable that I could not resist getting more two colors. I got one in grey and one in mint green. These already have bra cups attached to it, so you can skip wearing one. In fact, the stitching of the cups is so seamless that I was amazed at first. And don't even get me started on the quality. It is very good. It's so soft and it's like butter. It feels like butter and it's expandable. The only drawback which I found in that store is that they only have one size products. Well, it is expandable, the material is stretchy, but I don't think anyone more than a size of 34 will be able to wear it. In the beginning, he was quoting a price of 350 rupees per piece, but since I bought three of them, I just asked him to, make it an even 300. So at 900 rupees, I got three of them, and I absolutely love this color. Mint green is something which is very aesthetic. It looks so good in pictures, and the quality again is, I think, similar for all the three of them. There were more colors as well, like blue and maroon, but I feel these colors really make a very good statement. The grey one is slightly different from the black and the mint green one. These have a double strap design, and also, the pattern on the top is very similar, whereas the grey one just has a single strap and it's just basically plain and solid. Then I moved to another store which was more like a wholesale kind of shop. They had fixed price, which saved me the effort of bargaining. Really not good at that. Over there, I got this lilac colored t-shirt which is of ribbed material. I'm very much into lilac and lavender shade these days. I have seen similar tees all over Instagram, and to be honest, they do look very cool with like mom jeans or pants. And over here, the material is very good as considered from the price point of view. The only thing which I felt was could have been better was the collars. The collars were a bit flimsy and they were not sturdy at all. From the same shop, I got this lavender top as well. Again, seen this a lot of times all over Instagram. It has those cute buttons all the way through, so you can style it in many different ways. You can open the top buttons, or you can wear a high-waisted jeans and open up the niche wale buttons. I think it looks really cool that way, and the sleeves are loosely cut, which adds on to its aesthetics. Then I spotted a shop which had mostly floral printed tops and dresses. I bought this cute set which includes a crop top and a semi-transparent shrug that can be knotted at the bottom. The top is stretchable and the material is chiffon for both. The quality is okay for the price I paid. It looks very breezy, like it's perfect for a Sunday brunch or an outing. And I believe it can be perfectly paired up with a flared pant or flared jeans. It's gonna look really, really cool. The material of this shrug is extremely light and it's not completely see-through. It's very semi-transparent, but the material is very light to give you that flowy effect, and also it's very comfortable even if you wear it in summers. It's not at all heavy, so it gives you the perfect cover up. Up next is the most expensive thing of the lot. It's a black cocktail dress which has a heavy sequence work all over. It has a V-neck with a spaghetti strap. The slit at the side gives it a perfect, elegant look. I'm so excited to be wearing this on a dinner date, especially considering the fact that it will match perfectly with the black bag and the drop earrings that I already got. The dress feels heavy, guys, I must say. It does feel heavy, and actually I guess it's too good to be priced at just 1500. मैंने just shop से ही लिया. It was a fixed price shop, so I was actually at peace कि चलो यार यहाँ पे bargaining मुझे नहीं करनी पड़ेगी. And yeah, it was actually a great deal. The material is also good quality, so overall I'm really happy with this purchase. Too good. The last thing which I shopped from there was this check shirt. I absolutely love check shirts. They give you such a good comfortable look, and it's super casual. It was just for 200 rupees. Like, they had an entire area dedicated to shirts, and every shirt was priced at 200 rupees. So there were many colors out there, like reds and whites, black, blue, everything. But I found this one to be very, it caught my eye actually. And the material, it's so soft, you guys, that it actually blows my mind. Well, that was it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.